Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your TV or your smart TV browser. For example, you're on your TV and you want to search for something very fast. You don't have your phone at hand and you're watching TV, but you want to search for something. All you have to do is, come to apps and you scroll. You're going to look for a browser and it's here. You're going to press on open, and after pressing on open, it's going to open like this. Here you can search for anything you want. For example, if I want to search for maybe let me say, if I want to search for maybe, let me search for maybe UK or anything. I'm just giving an example. It's going to bring me, the thing I've been searching for, and maybe I can read the latest news, latest articles, and that's how you can use your browser. And that's a good thing to have on your smart TV. Remember, this is a Vidaa smart TV. It's not an Android TV. It runs on the Vidaa operating system, and that's how you can use your browser on your smart TV. If you want, you can come back and search maybe for another thing, and that's the Hisense Vidaa smart TV browser, and it works perfectly. You are able to get the information you are looking for, and the browser is a good touch. Mostly this TV has streaming apps, but we also get a bonus of the browser app, and that's how you can use your TV browser. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.